Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin access, because only an admin can delete an account. This prevents accidental loss. Once signed into Analytics, Google.com, make sure you export all reports and any raw data you need CSV or JSON, and note your tracking ID. You should also inform stakeholders and revoke linked services if needed. After that, open Admin in the bottom left, select Account column, and get ready to move to Account Settings. Once the correct account is selected, you go into Account Settings to locate the Move to Trash option. This is deliberate because deletion is irreversible after 35 days. Click Move to Trash Can and carefully read each warning. Google lists the linked properties and data that will be removed. Confirm ownership when prompted. You may need to re-enter your password. After you accept, the account enters a 35-day soft delete period, giving you a final chance to recover if necessary. You finish by monitoring the trash can for 35 days. During that window, you can restore the account if you change your mind. Make sure to remove any analytics snippets from your websites and unlink Google Ads or other services so no stray hits are recorded. If something goes wrong, for example, you can't find the account or the Move to Trash option is missing, clear cache, verify admin rights, and contact the account owner. Prompt action during the 35 days is critical.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.